Who is it? Oh, hi. How are you? Come in. Uh, I guess you came for the tour, right? Cool. Um, Hi. My name is Monique. You can call me Tiger. And this is my low income apartment, 1 bedroom apartment tour. Welcome. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the front door and just show you some of the things here. All right, and on my front door, you're gonna see a calendar. It's a calendar of cats, because I love my cats. Um, but yeah, and that's all I have right there. Right here, this closet is a mess. It got shoes, everything, and I had to bring some things here that belong to my son because he lost his place or whatever. But yeah. Okay, and so as we continue right here, I have a little mirror that I got from the Dollar Tree. Wait, let me see if y'all can see me. Hey, hey, y'all, I don't know how to do it, but hey. Also, I have this picture right here. I love this picture. I got this picture from Family Dollar, I believe. Yeah. The right side, I have this little sign that says, "Do not disturb." I'm disturbed enough already. And I have a little mirror right here. I have two slim pictures of some blue flowers, which I really like. This heart right here, the bell, hey, hey, hey. I got that for Valentine's Day decorations. This is like the outside closet from my bathroom. It's a lot of stuff in there, storage and stuff like that, because I don't have much closet space. And none of my closets have doors except for my bedroom closet. Right here, I have this gold mirror over the bathroom door. Hi again, hello. And as we come around the corner, I have this little, I call it my little accent wall, my coffee station wall. I put this wallpaper up, and I have this magnetic bracket up there on the wallpaper. That was so hard to put up, y'all. I have some Paris Hilton knife set. And I also have this sign that I got from Myers that says coffee and alcohol served daily. Okay, and then I also have these like acrylic shelves that I got from Ross. These are so cute. They was hard as hell to put up too. I got a little medicine right there, my oil of oregano, my sea moss, and my hibiscus tea. Yes, I like my herbs. Oh, I don't know why that's there, but that's some taco seasoning, because I love tacos. Some cilantro leaves, toothpicks, knife sharpener, stuff like that. Some donuts, cookies, my Keurig, some chips. Yes, y'all, this is kind of like a little snack area. So I got some avocados right here and some fruit nut bars. I keep my keys here, and I got some chips for my chips and cheese. This area of my so-called kitchen is very small. I got my brooms and dustpans and mops and stuff hanging up on these little things right here. I have some flowers on my circuit breaker that I made with my students at school. And this is my refrigerator. It just got my kids on it. That's when my kids was little with me. And it's my beautiful son. He was killed a year and a half ago, and his name was Eddie. That's my second born son. These are his kids. That's Eddie again. My other son Eric. Eddie again. There's three of my sons when they was younger. Eddie, Eric, Lorenzo. There's Eddie again. Eddie again. Yeah, that's my baby. I miss him dearly. Here I just have some laundry on the floor because I'm actually washing right now. I'm using my portable washing machines. This is they both small, but this is the bigger of the two. I'm using a small one right now to wash the white carpet that goes like in my bedroom. So yeah, I'm using that for, so I can, right now I'm just soaking it right now a little bit with some bleach or whatever. And yeah, first, this is my sink. This contact paper, I put this up myself. I just have like dishwashing liquid, hand soap in these little clear containers right here. And I got some accent lighting that I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. They was like $1.50 a piece, and I hung them up with some gold wire. Yeah. I still have my Valentine's Day decorations on my cabinets. My life is just busy. I ain't had a chance to take those down yet. This is my stove area. I just got these two beautiful pink dry towels that I got from Target. It was a set of two. It was $10. And there's my little washing machine. I put up this peel and stick right here. I got that from the Dollar Tree. This is my Korean coffee and my Café Bustelo. If you know, mira, tú sabes. Here, I got some more peel and stick. This was the worst peel and stick ever. Don't get this stuff, y'all. This right here, it's like plastic. And it's so hard to keep up. I used adhesive spray, all kind of stuff. But I got two pictures of boats right there. And here's my little teapot. Now, I just want to show y'all what the entryway looks like, you know, coming inside so you can see. Okay. And this right here, I got this from Temu for my cat so she could play with it. It's just her feeding bowls. I put this collapsible table up here so I could have an extra space. On this collapsible table, I just got pictures of my grandsons, another picture, and that's another picture of my son, Eddie, and this little touch lamp that I got from Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. Oh, I left it on all night. Okay, we got to charge that, but it's USB. That's okay. It's like my little island table that I had got from Amazon. I just got candles up here. If you don't know nothing about this candle right here, baby, this bamboo forest, honey, get to know this candle. I love this candle. It's my favorite candle. That's the only reason I ain't lit it yet, because I don't want it to go away. And it's just one of them little 99-cent candles. Some tequila. We ain't gonna talk about that. Okay, right here is like where my entertainment things are. I have a fireplace that I'm still not done putting together because I got to put the shelves in there. And here's my TV. Over here is just my little reading nook area that I had made with this little chair that I got for $15. I got this from Ross. This dark brown chair and then this dark brown tray table. And I keep these little transparent candlestick holders that I got from, I believe that was Dollar Tree. I want to say Dollar Tree. Right here, these are just my son's flowers from his funeral that I preserved in that frame. That's what that little area looks like, and that's my son again right there. The living room is just something like my scales, some Gatorade, and some water that I got on the floor. The other shelves that I got to put on my fireplace. This is my new dryer. Yes, baby, and it get real hot. It's a portable dryer. And I got this from Temu for $143. This is my diffuser. One of my neighbors gave me that. And one of my favorite scents is the Febreze Soothe and Restore. I have my little futon, which I'm going to take them covers off today and wash that because it looks real dirty. My laptop. My coffee table. I have this honeydew plant. One of my other candles. And this one is the... Ow, oh, it's hot. It's been burning a while. This is the weathered oak, and that smells really good. This is a honeydew million plant, another one. Bibles and devotionals. This is my reborn baby, Peyton. And say hey, Peyton. She still got on her Christmas dress. Here are my plant babies. Look at my honeydew millions. They just growing crazy, y'all. Another one right there. I got these beautiful pillows from Walmart. This cover, I got this from Temu. Cat's princess bed. My bedroom.